A long time ago, like the
Exactly,
dinosaurs.
exactly, the 500 million year old thing, and we can do that with they match the date. The carbon in the ground that's 500 million years old has the same markers and isotopes as the CO2 that we've just combusted into the air. So we actually, and we can look at ice core samples because the hexagonal shape of how ice freezes, there's actually a little piece of like atmosphere that's trapped in there. So we can actually carbon date like year after year, so we know like the atmospheric like ratios going back for a really really long time, man, and we know that we are dramatically impacting the amount of CO2 that
That's
is like it's by us by for sure. We know that there are times in our history as an earth, there are times that CO2 ppm was higher, okay? That is true. But the big difference is that humans weren't alive then. And we are in a kind of weird spot where those natural cycles that are happening, we kind of need to not do that, where we are going up and down, having massive ice ages. You know, that would be cataclysmic for the entire world. So we kind of have to have stasis where we're not doing that anymore. And that's kind of the conundrum, kind of like how wildfires are actually extremely beneficial for an environment, but we don't want wildfires ravaging our cities. We know that there are natural cycles in the climate, but we also know that we are doing things to exacerbate it to a point that we have no idea what's going to happen.
hmm. Well,
Does that make sense?
that was a very enlightening take. I'll say I
Okay,
get
sweet.
that.
Thanks, man.